Dynamics are an important part of musical expression. Dynamics make the music sound strong or very soft, depending on the kind of music that you're trying to play. The kinds of dynamics that we will play, forte, double forte, will be covered in the How to Read Music section. Right now, let's learn about how to produce these dynamics on the trombone. To play with a soft dynamic or a loud dynamic comes solely from the amount of air that you take in. Surprisingly, this note and this note both take a full breath. It is how you blow into the instrument that changes it. When we play softly, we're blowing very slowly. Almost like you're fogging up a window. And when we play loudly, you blow the air very fast, almost like you're expelling all of your air at once. Try that a couple of times. The air goes through these little tubes, and it can only get out so fast. Without the tubes, the air goes very fast in your mouth. So that's how we're blowing into the instrument to make dynamics. Let me demonstrate between very soft, a little bit louder yet, which we could call mezzo forte, a little bit louder than that, and then the loudest dynamic, double forte. The tongue also helps in dynamics. When we play softer, we want to tongue a little bit more. And when we play louder, we want to tongue a little bit less. Let me demonstrate the reverse of that. This is playing louder by tonguing too much. It's really hard to control a good sound. And now I'll use the proper amount of tongue. And now I will play the same pitch, playing it very softly, and I'm going to demonstrate the wrong way by not using enough tongue. And now I will use a little bit more tongue to get the note to start right away. It's important to use dynamics to make the music sound really good. If you can imagine the proper dynamics with the proper music, you could probably imagine the wrong dynamics with the wrong music. I'm sure you've heard this song before. Really good soft, but it would sound inappropriate or wrong loudly. Same as this song, played weak or too soft. This song we want to play louder. And that's a demonstration on playing dynamics on the trombone.